What is up, y'all? Sorry, I had to stretch my eyes out a bit. Today we are going to review Mod B Unit 2. We have an assessment our next day, the next lesson, etc., whatever. So I just wanted to review very quickly with you, excuse me, all of Unit 2 before y'all assess. But before that, before we review, a couple things. One thing, I guess. On Google Classroom, we have this little worksheet right here that you're going to do. You're going to type in the definitions that come along as we do it, basically, because we're going to go over it together. It's going to be very quick and easy. And once you're done, you're just going to play Defender Natural Selection again. Just a reminder thing of it, because it covers basically all parts of Mod D Unit 2. Sorry. Lost my words. So yeah, you're going to click on this. Let's open to this, and it's a small review, 9 things. So lesson 1, the 3 things we covered were DNA, genes, and mutation. Lesson 2 was evolution, variation, natural selection. And then lesson 3 was species, speciation, and extinction. So yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to follow the definitions that we go over, okay? Then yeah. So yeah, after each slide, I'm going to tell you to pause and record your definitions, okay? So lesson 1 vocab review. DNA is a genetic material with organisms. Within organisms, it's a double-stranded helix. Gene is a specific segment of DNA that provides instructions for an inherited trait. And mutation is a change in the base pair sequence of a gene. Okay, so you're going to record this information down under lesson 1 with each of these right here. You're going to record those definitions down, and then, yeah. So you pause right here and do that, okay? Pause. I'm serious. You better pause. I'm very disappointed in you if you didn't pause. Kidding, but you know. All right, so lesson 2 now. Lesson 2 review. Ooh, I forgot to put this right there. Lesson 2 review. So right here on lesson 2, you should have stuff up there. And lesson 1, you better have. Lesson 2 is evolution, variation, natural selection. Also, if you don't do this, you don't get the points for today, just saying. So yeah, lesson 2, evolution. Evolution is the change in inherited traits of a population over many generations. Variation is the difference between organisms and a population, and natural selection is a process by which a population's environment determines which traits are beneficial and which are not. Okay, so you're going to pause right here. No, well, not right there. You're going to go to here now and fill out these definitions for these. Now you're going to pause right here. Really, please pause. Just record this. It's super easy. I'm giving it up. Anyways, now that you paused, you better, we're going to do lesson 3 very quickly, okay? So you're going to go down to here, lesson 3, and get species, speciation, and extinction. So species is defined as a group of individuals that can reproduce successfully in nature. Speciation occurs when 2 or more populations no longer successfully reproduce. And that leads to extinction, which occurs when there are no members of a species left on Earth, or just in general. So you're going to go back to here, record these definitions down, and then you're going to, well, now you're going to pause and then record the definitions down, okay? So you're pausing, hopefully, finally pausing. Please. It's easy points. Child. Anyways, so yeah, now that you paused, what now? Well, now that you finish this, you have definitions in each of these words. You have a game to play. You've played it before, Defender Natural Selection. There is no worksheet to go along with it. You're welcome. You're gonna play it, and yeah, that is it for today. Tomorrow's there's an assessment. So yeah. Peace.